Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize our notifications icons that show up at the top of our phone. In our example, it's Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's change our notifications pop-ups. Settings, we're looking for notifications menu, and we will go to the advanced settings. By default, we have three most recent notifications. So show notifications icons here. We can choose all notifications or will be visible. Only the number will be visible or just none, and our phone will be a little bit cleaner. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.